Oh, it's supposed to be 2 of them in there? Oh, yeah? Oh, you trying to get? Yeah, I ain't passed, miss. I ain't passed that class. I got a 10, miss. Yeah, but I think 2 gonna be too much. It's gonna be too sweet. Nah, I want 1.5, miss. I want 1.5. Alright. Dang, man. You said how she always been just difficult with me, man. I ain't happy customer now. I'll be fine. Just got home from driving a mini RC rock crawlers at the place I sent you pictures from earlier. Thank you. Oh, mine I already read. We ain't missed nothing now for sure. Let me see how sweet it is. I can have something to complain about. Oh, no, it's too hot, y'all. What's up with it? Yeah, got her in there. Talking about she don't know that my drink got a name on it. Miss, my drink been had a name on it. I got a signature. I got a discount on the drink.
No, you didn't. You fucking pissed him off until you got what you want. I got a name for your goddamn drink.
You got a name for it? What you gonna name it?
Cry baby juice. Titty boy juice.
Titty boy juice. Yeah, I kind of like that. Hey, let me get a titty boy juice. Large, double shot. Yeah, let me get a double shot of titty boy juice.
I didn't get my cherries last time.
Yeah.
Put some in there, though. What the fuck was it?
Ah, who putting strawberry? That ain't no lookout, fool.
Nah, I didn't get a lookout.
Oh,
She said
man.
it wasn't good, so I didn't get
Man,
it.
she don't know nothing about it. She don't know how no drink supposed to be. She just make these things. She ain't sampling every one she make. A lookout is a man's drink, man. Titty boy juice. Oh, man. Well, I'm finna go over here, miss. Oh, boy, done broke the ring in. Look, y'all. Are you pushing him? Pushing him on out the way. I'm gonna walk around and see what else they got going on. What's up with it, man? Hey, that's her. Hey, hey, how you doing, miss? Everything good with you today?
Yep.
I seen you on Facebook flexing.
Nah.
Yeah, I seen you and your daughters and everybody on there. Y'all stunning and stuff.
Yeah.
Taking pictures and stuff, all background sceneries and stuff.
What are you talking about?
I seen there's some pictures on y'all online. You, your daughter, and the 3 generations. You know that picture, miss? Miss, you don't even read. Somebody must posted it for you now, miss. That was attention in the pits. We're gonna need all pictures postponed. Shifted that thing a little earlier. Uh-oh, game over. Got the game started back in. Oh, come on, baby. right, y'all. Look out.
Next time, tell him to call OWK on that wiring, yo.
OWK, that wiring ain't right.
Yeah, you hear that all the time and pow, boom, boom, pow.
That ain't right.
We got to look out live down at HRP, man. I let them know OWK need to go and get that.
Ooh. She put an extra sugar pack in it. Extra hot chocolate. Extra hot chocolate in there. It do taste right, just right with them 2 packages too, though. Oh, this one of them the bomb tune cars, y'all. I knew it was. That's what I had to look for, because it started spitting out. I was like, dang, this thing here spitting. See, all of the bomb tune cars, they use a special gas. Yeah, they use a special gas to make all that horsepower. This Jolene right here. Uh-oh. Yeah. This thing here clean. Well, they getting more people in the crew, y'all. They getting more people. Everybody must be noticing. Because they got that the bomb sticker. It got a reputation. Like, man, I'm telling y'all, watch this. I ain't never even seen this car, but you automatically know. You'll see. I don't know if he tuned it. Need a parachute. I'm telling y'all, my thing ain't playing no games. I don't know if he tuned the suspension too or what. Whatever it is, it's the tune. Look out, look out. Ashley Larry with the 1T top, y'all.